We tend to take the idea of interchangeable heads for granted. But where did they come from? Frank Livermont was an inventor, and 26 of his 31 patents were torque tool related. One of his inventions was interchangeable heads for torque wrenches. Many of Livermont's inventions became industry standards. Livermont also started the Richmond Company and later merged with the PA Sturtevant Company to form Sturtevant Richmond. That was more than 60 years ago, and Sturtevant Richmond still uses the same fundamental design for our interchangeable heads. If it works well and customers love it, why would we consider changing? Manufacturing and assembly have changed over the years, and the need for interchangeable heads has increased. As more assembly is being done in each work cell, the speed of production has also increased. And that speed of production spawned the need for something new. One of our customers called us in and said, "We love your wrenches, we love your heads. Here's our problem. We can't change the heads fast enough on the wrenches to meet our production standards. Can you do something for us?" Our legacy design has been extremely strong, and you can change the heads faster than a NASCAR pit stop. Simply take a screwdriver with a small head, use it as a lever to push down on the set pin, and slide the head off the wrench. After we spent time watching the assembly workers and asking lots of questions, we realized that the problem was not with our heads or with our system. The problem was the workers spent too much time looking for the screwdriver they used to depress the set pin and change the heads. Since we aren't likely to invent a new way to attach the screwdriver to the worker, we designed a new way of changing heads. We built the new system so that workers could use their thumbs to change the heads and no longer needed the screwdriver. After all, it's a little easier to find your thumbs than it is to find the screwdriver. So the customer tested the tools with the new design. They worked, they loved them, and the customer met their production standards. When other customers heard about the change, they started calling and asking for the new head system. So we made more. Finally, we decided that we should convert our line of Exacta series digital wrenches to have the new Quick Connect system. When we engineered the new system, we were careful to design it to use the existing heads, regardless of whether the worker used a tool or his thumbs to change the heads. To release the heads, simply use your thumbs to provide pressure and the head comes off. To connect the head, simply push the head onto the anvil until you hear or feel the click. And then you're good to go. The barista at Starbucks can't pour you a cup of coffee that fast. In the Exacta series, the new Quick Connect heads are in place for those wrenches 25 foot-pounds, 75 foot-pounds, or 150 foot-pounds. Those wrenches above 150 foot-pounds will still use our legacy interchangeable head system. We've done that to ensure we maintain the structural integrity of the head and wrench connection. The new Quick Connect system is available now. To order, contact Sturtevant Richmond or contact your Sturtevant Richmond salesperson or your distributor. You may also want to see the video or ask the sales rep some questions about the heads we use in our interchangeable head system. The difference between our heads and others is alarming.